Hey Minecraft Masters, ever wanted to explore hidden areas and bypass obstacles in Minecraft? Today, I'll show you how to walk through walls like a wizard. Prepare for mind-blowing Minecraft tricks. Minecraft presents numerous challenges like walls that hinder exploration and creativity. It's frustrating we can't build something incredible due to these limits. But we can overcome them by discovering walking through walls is possible and incredibly awesome. Now, there are a few different ways to walk through walls in Minecraft. But today, I'm going to show you the most effective method, and it's surprisingly simple. Get ready for some serious mind-blowing action. The secret is the TP command, which enables teleportation to any game location like magic. You can teleport through walls, mountains, and even the world. Think about it. The TP command can instantly move you from one point to another, regardless of any obstacles in the way. It's a powerful tool for creative players and those who want to explore the world in new ways. But there's more. Her TP not only teleports through walls, but also to high places like mountains and accessible areas. Like a magic carpet ride in Minecraft. Discussing TP command usage, first enable cheats in your Minecraft world. By accessing your world settings and selecting allow cheats, use the TP command in your game after this. The basic syntax for the per TP command is TP Minecraft user X coordinate, Y coordinate, Z coordinate. So, if you want to teleport to a specific location, you'll need to know the coordinates of that location. You can find the coordinates of your current location by pressing the F3 key on your keyboard. For example, if you want to teleport to the coordinates 106 for 200, you would type TP Minecraft user 160 for 200. And just like that, you'll be teleported to that location. But wait, there's more. You can also use the TP command to teleport to other players in your world. Just type TP Minecraft user, other Minecraft user. It's a great way to quickly get to your friends or to prank them by teleporting them to unexpected locations. Discussing the creative TP command usage, you can construct secret bases invisible to others by teleporting to a hidden location, building, and returning. No one will suspect your base exists. You can also use the TP command to create custom obstacle courses, or to build structures that are impossible to build without teleporting. The possibilities are endless. The secret to walking through walls in Minecraft is using the TP command. It allows exploration, creativity, and fun. Experiment with it, uncover amazing things, and enjoy. Have you tried walking through walls in Minecraft? What are your favorite tricks and secrets? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Minecraft adventures, where we'll be exploring new worlds, uncovering hidden secrets, and having a blast. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.